video we will discuss of copying a file or folder, moving a file or folder, and next topic I will explain deleting a file or folder. So these three topics I will discuss in today's video. So students, first one is copying a file or folder. So what does it mean? You can copy a file or folder to make its duplicate copy at another location. So copy means, suppose if you have this one, this folder, this text file, and if you copy it, then place it to the another place, placed, that means paste it to another place, then what happened? This files is available to here, and another place where you copied it, it will also be available. So this is called copying a file. Okay, so how you will do? Open a location that contains the files or folder you want to copy, click the files or folder you want to copy. On the home tab in the clipboard group, click copy button. So uh, suppose I have opened this one, and after that suppose I am here, this video I want to copy. Okay, so after that what I will do, I will go to the home tab and click copy on. I have clicked on copy tab, home tab, then after that I will click on copy. So Windows place a copy of file folder in the clipboard. That means clipboard is the area of the of copied the document, where when we copy it, then it will be copied to that place, clipboard. So open the location where you want to copy it. Suppose I want to copy it on the desktop, so I will go to the desktop, and after that on the home tab in the clipboard group, click paste button. So just click over here. You will also get the paste option over here. Okay, so in this way you can also paste over here, and you can go to here. Suppose you want to paste over here desktop, then go to home, and here is also available paste. You click on here, you just see this video is pasted over here. So what does it mean? You just see your videos is here, and also you can see like this. Suppose if I want, where from where I have copied it, I have copied it, I do not remember from where I have copied. Okay, leave it, I remember. Okay, I remembered it. I copied from here. So this video is here, and also this video is here, that place I have shown to you. So this to both places my videos will be available. So what are the steps? First one is open the location. The first step is open the location that contains the file or folder you want to copy. Next one, click the file or folder you want to copy. So the second step was click the file and or folder you want to copy. First you go to the place from where you want to copy, and then you click on the files to which you want to copy. Next, on the home tab, in the home tab, click on copy. So on the home tab, click on copy option. Next step, open the location where you want to paste. Open the location where you want to paste. Next one is paste means where you want to copy the selected files. That means where you want to copy it. So on the home tab, next one is on the home tab, click on paste option. So your work will be completed. Next heading is moving a file or folder. What does it mean? It means you can move a file or folder from its current location to another location. Open the location. The steps are, I'm not going to write these steps also. Just listen my voice. First step is open the location that contains the files or folder you want to move. Suppose I want to move this one. So I went on desktop and I want to move this videos. So click open the location that contains the files or folder you want to move. So this one is step. I reach to desktop. Next, click the files or folder you want to move. I have clicked on this, and let me show you from here. I can move. I went on desktop. Then after that I want to copy this one. I click over here, go to home tab, then there is an option of cut. You just watch here, you get an option cut. You got here cut. You just click on this cut. Then Windows place the files or folder in the clipboard. I already discussed what is this. Open the location where you want to. Next step, open the location. Listen steps once again. First step is open the location that contains the files or folder you want to move. Step number 2, click the files or folder you want to move. So you will click on that files or folder which you want to move. Step 3, on the home tab, click on cut option. Then step number 4, I have completed till step 3. Then step 4 is open the location where you want to move the selected files or folder. Suppose I want to copy it in the download area, videos area. Just I go here, then I will click on the home and I will click on paste. So because this video is available already, so this is showing replace the file in the destination, so this will be replaced. Okay, that means it will be copied. So the files or folder appears in the new location. So you are able to see this. This is the files which are available to the new location. So moving means the copy, and the differences between moving and copy is in the term of copy, at the both places the content of files or folder will be available, but in the moving things, when you cut it at the from the place, then it will be deleted at that location and it will be pasted at the new location. So the data will be available only at the new location. This is moving a files means. Next one is deleting a file or folder. How you will delete? Suppose I want to delete this one. So first you will go open the location that contains the files folder you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete this files folder. I will go to here. Then after that click on files. I will click over here because click the files folder you want to replace. So suppose I want to delete this one. So I will click on here. On the home tab in the organized group, click down arrow under the delete option. Just click on the home tab. Then there will be option delete, this one. So a list of options appears. This option appears delete. Click recycle to delete the files or folder. Select it to recycle bin. Permanently delete the selected files or folder to delete it. It's deleted. So what is saying right now, let me tell you. If you click on here, then options are coming: recycle, permanently delete, so recycle confirmation. So this means if you click on this, then what happened? It goes to the recycle bin. That means the deleted files can be recovered. It can be recovered once again. Suppose I will do you for you. Suppose I have deleted from here, and just I go to recycle bin here, and I come to here, and you can see the which files I have deleted. I didn't remember. Restore. So options are restored. So you can restore it if you delete, not permanently. Okay. So basically I do not remember which files I have deleted. So that's why it is showing like this. Okay, VLC recorded. I think I have deleted this one. Just restore. Let me restore it. I have restored it. Okay, right. I have deleted file. So you just see here this file is recovered once again. But if I delete it permanently delete, then I cannot recover. That's why it is showing a message. Do you want to permanently delete? Yes, I want. So it will be deleted, and once again you cannot recover your file. So this is the enough for you for today's lecture. So in the next video I will finish this chapter. So students, you will revise and write in your fair copy. Thank you students. Thank you everyone.